Very short answer questions. Question number 1. Name 2 free floating plants. So free floating plants, the aquatic plants that float freely over the surface of water, and they are water hyacinth and lotus. Question number 2. Write 2 characteristics of pine tree. So it is written fine. A pine tree that help it adapt in mountain regions. So what are the characteristics or what are the adaptations in the pine trees that help in surviving of the pine tree in mountain regions, in that cold region? So firstly, the leaves are reduced to needles to conserve water. Sloping branches and cone shaped to help snow slide off easily. So what does it mean? Firstly, the leaves, they are reduced to needles to conserve water. So whenever this thing is considered, that we have to write about the adaptations in any plant, just like cactus plant, the main thing is to store water, the main thing is to conserve water. So in cactus plant also, the leaves, they were modified into spines to conserve water, to prevent loss of water. In the same way, the leaves in pine trees are also reduced to needle-like structures so that they can conserve water, so that they can reduce transpiration. Next thing is that sloping branches and cone shaped. These trees, they have sloping branches, just like the sloping huts, just like the sloping houses that are found on the mountains, and cone shaped, which help, because on the mountains we know that sometimes snowfall happens, and if we have flat roof or the flat tree, then the snow, it will be collected over the top. So people, they make that sloping houses there. In the same way, nature has given the pine tree the shape of slope. The sloping shape, it helps so that the snowfall, when snowfall happens, then the snow will slide off easily from the surface of the tree. It will not get collected over the surface of tree, on the top of tree. Next, name 2 biotic components of a habitat. So when biotic components are considered, we will write about the living components of the habitat, and that are plants and animals. Next is question number 4. Name 2 scavengers which eat the dead plants. Scavengers, we know that scavengers, they are eating or cleaning up the environment by eating the dead and decaying plants and animals, and they are vulture and hyena. They clean up the environment as they eat up the dead and decaying matter.